Now, the Garden City Special School in the Ashanti region is decrying the insufficient amount of feeding grants received by the school. Each student lives on 5 cedis and 50 pesewas a day. Headmistress of the school, Dr. Rosalind Frimpong Ejapong, says the situation has left the school indebted to food suppliers.
City Special School serves persons living with intellectual and developmental disabilities in the Ashanti region and parts of eastern and western regions. Despite the growing numbers of students, feeding challenges adversely affect the efficient running of the school. School authorities have to manage a feeding budget of less than 6 cedis for 3 meals daily for 192 students whose ages range from 7 to 31. Headmistress of the school, Dr. Rosalind Frimpong Ejapong, is calling the Ghana Education Service to fulfill the promise of raising the grant amount. She also cited issues of overcrowding in several classrooms due to increasing number of admissions into the school and the school's limited facilities.
The feeding grants. You know, it's a government school, so monies are brought in by Ghana Education Service. They do well. But the amount we take now is not enough and it's not helping us. And we are praying, though we know they are working on it, but we pray that they work on it fast for us so that we can pay the bills that have been accumulated. We need to expand the school. There are more people coming in, but our classrooms, because they were built by a German volunteer with the idea of only 8 children in one classroom, the classrooms are small classrooms. We need to have more classrooms.
Despite the challenges, the schools supported by entities strive to provide extensive services to improve the conditions for children with special needs. The Region Foundation and Help a Brook Foundation have collaborated to put smiles on the faces of the kids. The foundation donated assortable consumable items and classroom learning teaching materials, including packets of text and exercise books, pens and pencils. The group, led by Dylan Opoku, founder of Region Foundation, also took the children through creative skills to improve the creative skills efforts of the school. Co-founder of Region Foundation, Deborah Akushika Mensa, says the government's support is eminent to keep the school functioning effectively.
With what they have done so far that we've seen, we realize that the students are very talented, and if the government could support them more with their materials that they use to perform all of these magic, then it would help them. And then as well as letting them come out of the school to show the world what they can do, and then with sponsorship outside of the country as well, they can reach higher heights.
Help a Brook Foundation founder Henry Akwesi Boatin said the gesture was embarked on recognizing the positive roles the institution performs in caring for special needs children.
The intention is to put a smile on the worried face. So we chose this Garden City Special School. Came to see the mistress and spoke with her. So we had a list of items they wanted, and we gathered the resources according to what they give to us. So we purchased exercise books, pens, pencils, and all stationaries that are needed in school. Though it's a special school, they also have some special items, specific special items they needed, abacus and so many things. But we were able to at least purchase a lot of items that was provided on the list.
Reporting for Joining Clinton, Yeboah.